Sustainable weight loss is all about protein, so I'm going to make you a protein powerhouse. What we're going to do is just use whatever leaves you've got in the fridge. I'm going just with some mixed salad greens together with some fruit. I'm going to use some pear and some pineapple to give it a bit of sweetness, and together with some Healthista lean whey diet protein. I'm going for the vanilla, but there's also strawberry and chocolate should you wish. Going to boost the protein even more with some nuts. I've just gone for some mixed nuts, some cashews and almonds. To that, we're going to do some hemp milk, 200 mils, 250 mils, and you've got yourself a breakfast that will sustain you throughout the day. You've got yourself a breakfast that's packed full of colours as well, immune boosting colours. Plant-based proteins and protein from whey also helps with toning. So it's not about building muscle, it'll just help you to tone.